Smoke and Thunder Jet Powered Dragster. Bill Brock, or driver, depending on how you feel about it. 12,000 horsepower, sitting behind him. He's in front of that unit. It is behind him. Formerly from a Navy T2 Buckeye. Yes, it has afterburner capability. And yes, because you said it, we are going to race again. So Melby in the air, in the biplane, is going through the strategy. Bill Brock, defending driver, race car driver. Sports car driver, Melby in the biplane, the honor of pilots in the air. Who could beat who? Now Melby's got 340 horsepower. Bill Brock in the dragster knows it's too long. He can't play the game with Melby. He knows that. He's trying to play a waiting game so that Melby gets worried about his fuel situation in the biplane. Will be over. In comes Melby. The smoke is on. He's going to smoke over the top of the jet-powered dragster. I see afterburner unleashed. Closing in fast and getting by him. Pulling the drogue chute. Looking at